Hey there, I'm Julian, and in this video we want to compare Lovable and Base44. Both are no-code app builders, meaning you don't need to know how to code. You can simply describe what you want to build, an app or a website, and then they start programming the entire thing for you. And in the end, you just have to test it and take it live. So I will do this side by side. I've built the same app with both builders. But before we start, really important, you will find my partner link for both tools down here in the video description, and it will allow you to sign up for free, and at the same time you're helping me and my channel to grow. So thank you a lot if you use my links. So I will sign up quickly and then we will see us inside these tools. So now I have signed up, and this is Lovable and this is Base44. They almost look identical, and they kind of are. So you can just describe what you want to build and the AI takes care of it. It designs it for you, it plans the thing for you, and it also builds the entire code for you. And all you have to do is take it live and hopefully earn some money with it. Without further ado, let's start. So you can just describe what you want. For this example, I wanted to build a modern calorie tracker like MyFitnessPal. And users should be able to take a picture of their food, and then the AI will analyze the calories and automatically track this on a daily basis. So now you can simply just send it to the AI, and then it will start working. And we can also just send it with Base44, and now you can see they're working side by side. And this usually takes somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. And sometimes you get asked a couple of questions, then you answer them, but in the end you get a final app. So this is what I have built with Lovable beforehand, and this is what I have built with Base44. I can just reload it quickly. So you can see this is the interface from Base44 and this is the interface from Lovable. Before we dive in and analyze the functionality, let's first take a look on how much time it took to build the app. So here Lovable took 10 minutes and 7 seconds, and it used 6.83 credits for building the app. And on Base44, we can see it took 1.2 credits, so way less credits. And I had to stop it on my phone with a timer, and it took, let me check, I put it down on the table, 2 minutes and 21 seconds. So we can say that Base44, based on our test here, it was almost 5 times faster than Lovable to build the app, and the credits usage was also very cheap. So here Base44 took 1.2 credits to build the entire thing, and Lovable charged 6.83 credits, so almost like 5 times more. But the credit usage is kind of a little bit different, because here on the free plan you get 30 credits, and on Base44 on the free plan you get 25 credits, meaning you can build almost like 20 of these apps here on Base44, and on Lovable you can build almost like, let's say 5 apps. So that's a huge difference. So you can build 4 times more apps on Base44's free plan than on Lovable. So based on speed, Base44 wins big time because it's 5 times faster, and it's also very cheap to produce an app or a website with Base44. So it's also cheaper in terms of credit usage than Lovable. So now let's check out the UI design. So this was the UI design Lovable produced for me. I think it looks quite nice, but honestly, I'm a bigger fan of the design from Base44. It just looks more sexy. It looks like an Apple Watch here. So yeah, in terms of design, I have to give it to Base44 as well. Lovable is okay. That's why I gave it 4 stars, but Base44 just looks really awesome. And next up is functionality. And now we can check if the app is doing what we asked the app to do. So we can simply just upload a picture of, let's say, an ice cream cone here. And I will do the same in Lovable. Just scan the meal. And if you use it on your phone, you can take a picture really. But here, since I'm on the desktop PC, I will just upload a picture from my PC. And now it's analyzing the ice cream cone. And it gave me back 300 calories, 5 grams of protein. And now I can say I had this for lunch and log the meal. And now it did what I asked it to do. It logs the calories here. So that's quite nice. Let's check out Base44. It also has 400 calories and let's say lunch. And then I can add it to my daily intake here. And now I can see it here, and it's automatically deducted from my daily diary here. So functionality wise, both do what I asked it to do. But of course, the devil is always in the detail. As you can see here for Lovable, when I want to make changes changes, I can't click on this, and I'm just able to click on view all, and I can only delete this. So I'm not able to go back and change, for example, the calorie settings of this food. I don't like that too much, because here on Base44 I can simply click on it and I have everything. I can change the name. I can also say, okay, this was just 350 calories. I can change the protein, the carbs, the fat, and click save, and then it's automatically updated. So functionality wise, this is a win for Base44 for me, because it has the option to change the food. Of course, you can build this with Lovable. You can just say, hey, I want to make changes to my diary, and then it will build an edit button for you. But the whole point was give the app one prompt and build an app for me and see what it comes up with. So functionality wise, also Base44 wins, and it also built in an AI coach, and I didn't ask it to do, but here on the weekly insights, you can click on it and you see what calories you tracked during the week. And now here down below, you have a nutrition coach, and you can click on generate a report, and now it's sending the data to an AI, and it will give me back some recommendations what I can do better next week. So I love that a lot about Base44, that it will go the extra mile for you and build this functionality in your app. And now, as you can see, it gave me some recommendations here. It doesn't look too nice, but I read through them. It's definitely okay in terms of recommendations, but you can always make edits. But I like that it built this functionality in from the get-go. So also here on this point, the functionality outcome Base44 wins. We talked about the free plan. As said, you will get more credits on Lovable, but at the same time, Base44 is just cheaper in terms of credit usage. So it will let you build more for 25 credits. And both have a pro plan. So on Lovable, the pro plan is $25 a month for 100 credits. And on Base44, it's $20 a month also for 100 credits. You can check out the pricing here. You will also find the link for this down below in the video description. You can select the amounts of credits you need for Lovable, and you see you get on this plan, on the very first pro plan, you get 100 credits. And on Base44 for $20, you also get 100 credits. Meaning with Base44, you can almost build, let's say, 80 calorie trackers, and here you can build 16 calorie trackers. So this is also a big difference between Base44, the credit usage. So yeah, this was my direct comparison. I honestly prefer Base44 because you have everything built inside: database, user authentication, hosting. You will get a domain. You have the same also with Lovable, but as you've seen here, Base44 is just cheaper, and in my experience, it also built like a nicer user interface. And with both, you can publish the app to the web. You will get a dummy domain from them, and you can also connect your custom domain. And with both tools, you can also access the code base, so you can go in, change something about the code, or you can also see the database here, what is stored. You can run security checks, and it's also integrated with different tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, and so on. And both also take care of the security, and also on the marketing side, you have SEO functionality, and you have the same also here in Lovable. You can see the code, and here you have different tools like security, SEO, and you can integrate payments like Stripe, Shopify. But you can do this with both tools. So they kind of built the same. You get the feeling by just signing up. It also looks the same if you go back to the dashboards here. So they kind of look the same. You can just describe what you want. For me, they are pretty much the same. But if you look at the backend and you really test them, you will find out that Base44 is faster. And at least in my experience, it also produces nicer UI designs, and the functionalities is oftentimes better. So yeah, I hope you liked the tutorial. As said, you will find the links down below, and this is my Base44 step-by-step tutorial, and this is my Lovable step-by-step tutorial. So you pick, and I see you in the next one.